Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best dash cams of 2025. Whether you want crystal clear video evidence, enhanced safety features, or just peace of mind while driving, this list has something for everyone. We'll dive into their specs, performance, pros and cons, and help you find the perfect dash cam for your car. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. VIOFO A229 Pro 3-channel 4K HDR dashcam. First up, we have the VIOFO A229 Pro. This is a 3-channel dashcam with 4K front, 2K inside, and 1080p rear recording. It features dual Starvis 2 sensors, IMX678 and IMX675 for incredible low-light performance. You also get 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control, 24-hour parking mode, and it supports memory cards up to 512 gigabytes. The video quality is stunning, especially in low light or nighttime driving. The 3-channel setup ensures you're covered from front to back, and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes transferring footage super fast. Setup is straightforward, and voice control adds convenience while driving. Pros: excellent 4K HDR recording, dual Starvis 2 sensors for night vision, 24-hour parking monitoring, supports up to 512 gigabytes cards. Cons: slightly pricey compared to single-channel options. The app can be a bit complex at first. Number 2. Pelsee S3 Touch 4K dashcam with Starvis 2 sensors and Starlit full-color night vision. It includes a 128GB card, Wi-Fi 6, ADAS features, 3.39-inch IPS touchscreen, GPS, and voice control. The Pelsee S3 stands out for its vibrant nighttime footage thanks to Starlit technology. Its touchscreen interface is intuitive, and the ADAS feature helps with lane departure and forward collision warnings. Overall, a feature-packed dashcam for safety-conscious drivers. Pros: full-color night vision, ADAS safety features, responsive touchscreen, Wi-Fi 6 for fast file transfer. Cons: slightly bulky design. 128GB card may fill up quickly for long drives. Number 3. 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dashcam. Third on our list is this 3-channel dashcam with 4K front, 2K inside, and 2K rear recording. It comes with a 128GB card, dual-band Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, night vision, WDR, 170-degree wide-angle lens, G-sensor emergency lock, and 24-hour parking monitoring. This dashcam offers excellent coverage for the entire car interior and exterior. The video is crisp, and WDR ensures well-balanced footage even in tricky lighting. Dual-band Wi-Fi speeds up video transfers, and the G-sensor protects important clips automatically. Pros: triple-channel 4K plus 2K plus 2K recording, wide-angle coverage, automatic emergency lock, dual-band Wi-Fi. Cons: setup is slightly more technical. No dedicated app for advanced settings. Number 4. 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear. Our fourth pick is a dual 4K dashcam with a free 128GB card. It features 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, G-sensor, 170-degree wide-angle lens, 3-inch IPS screen, 24-hour parking mode, and supports up to 512 gigabyte storage. If you're looking for ultra-high-resolution front and rear recording, this one delivers. The 3-inch IPS screen is clear, and the 24-hour parking mode ensures your car is monitored even when you're away. The high-speed Wi-Fi makes file transfers quick and easy. Pros: dual 4K recording, supports large storage up to 512 gigabytes, high-speed Wi-Fi, 24-hour parking monitoring. Cons: slightly more expensive. Screen size is modest for detailed playback. Finally, the Vantrue N4 Pro S 4K 3-channel dashcam is a 3-channel 4K dashcam with triple Starvis 2 sensors. It records 4K front, 2.5K rear, and 1080p inside. Additional features include HDR IR night vision, voice control, parking mode, GPS, Wi-Fi, and support up to 1 terabyte storage. This is one of the most premium dashcams on our list. The triple Starvis 2 sensors ensure amazing night vision and low light clarity. With up to 1 terabyte support, you can store weeks of footage without worrying. It's packed with features for serious drivers who want total coverage. Pros: triple Starvis 2 sensors, excellent night vision, supports massive storage, 1 terabyte, 3-channel coverage. Cons: higher price point, larger footprint inside the car. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tech updates. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which product was your favorite? See you in the next video.